Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the QR code in your DU5G wireless router to keep your Wi-Fi details private. So the QR code on your DU5G router allows quick Wi-Fi access, but if you want to hide it for security reasons, you just have to simply follow these steps. First of all, you need to log in into your router's settings. So open your web browser and here you will have to enter the default IP address that usually this. So I will also put it down in the description or you can just use it. Now, once you log in into your account, you will have to provide your admin username and password. If you haven't changed them, you can find the default credentials on your router. Now, once you are inside your setting, you need to go to the Wi-Fi network settings, and some routers may have a QR code display option, so which you can disable directly. If not, an alternative method is to disable SSID broadcasting. So this will prevent your Wi-Fi name from being publicly visible. This way, if someone scans the QR code, they won't be able to find the network. So if you don't see the option to remove the QR code from the settings, a simple fix is to cover the printed QR code on your router with tape or a sticker to prevent others from scanning it. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.